So guys, we're going to have to uninstall Vegas and then reinstall it again. Then we need to activate it again with our product key. So for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Make sure you have your view by set to large icons, then you're going to click on programs and features. And now you're going to scroll down till you find your Vegas Pro application. You want to uninstall it. And then click on yes. And then click on yes. You're going to uninstall Vegas. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to go to the View tab. Then you're going to select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Select this and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now you're going to head over to this PC. You're going to find where you have your Vegas files installed. So for me, it's going to be on my Windows drive. It has the Windows logo on it. I'm going to double click on it. And then you're going to click on Program Data. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Vegas. Delete this folder. And then continue. And if you have another folder in here called Magix, you want to delete that. However, Magix is going to be all in capital letters. This is just something else. I'm going to leave this one. But in your case, if you have a folder called Magix in all capital letters, you want to delete that folder. And now you're going to go back to your Windows drive. And then you're going to click on Users. And then click on your username. And then click on the App Data folder. And then click on Roaming. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Magix right here. Delete this. Click on Roaming. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Magix right here. Delete this. I'm also going to delete Magic Computer Products. If you have that, then delete it as well. And now you just want to head over to the Magix website again. You then want to re-download the launcher. Or just go to wherever you got the launcher from. And then you just want to activate it again. I'm now going to be re-downloading Vegas Pro 18. And you just want to go through all of this. So you just want to re-download Vegas, activate it again with your license key, and then the problem should be fixed.